Here is a wavespeed AI review. Wavespeed is more on generation of a video. It is an ultimate AI media generation platform which is accessible on Safari, Google, or Chrome. As you can see, you can go ahead and explore models. So this is like a one-stop shop or page for vision generators that you can use on your end. If you press on the explore models, you will be redirected on the search model options, or you will be seeing this. As you can see, you can go ahead and edit here using a Google Veo 3.1 AI, OpenAI Sora 2, as well as the 1 2.5. So you can just go ahead and choose which AI would you like to choose on generating a video or image on your end. And as you scroll down, there are a lot of streaming AI tools that you can use. As you can see on its website, you can now go ahead and choose which plan or subscriptions that you are going to avail. All you need to do is to sign up using your Google account or your GitHub account. So it's very fast and convenient. You just go ahead and go to WaveSpeed AI, your non-stop or one-stop shop for AI video generation.